Welcome to Scorn. This video is going to be about posting in Guild Launch. You'll notice I'm in my off-topic category and my forums, and I'm just going to hit the new post button. We're not going to really focus on the very basics. Everyone knows how to type up a post. What I'd like to talk about is a couple of things you can do for variation in your posts. For instance, I might put some text in my post and want to do something with it. Maybe I want to highlight different categories as I'm making a post to describe several different things, and I'd like to have the text in front of each section be green or red or blue. Very simply, I could type that text in, highlight it, and decide here I want to use dark red. You'll notice that the interface has put what are called BB code tags, bulletin board code tags, on either side of my text. I can also highlight that same text and tell the BB code I'd like to have it be large, for instance, and now it's changed it to size 18. If I scroll down and hit the preview button as I'm making this post, you'll see I've got a large section of red text. I might after that then start typing a paragraph, have another red text section to delineate my different sections in the text. A couple of other things I can do when I'm working in here are embed things like images and also YouTube videos, which a lot of people want to do. So let's look at how I would do that. Image tags are pretty simple. I'm going to hit the image tag button right over here on the right. You'll notice as I hover over it, it says image. I click on that and it opens the tag. You'll notice my tags get closed. Here's size, here's color, and here they are getting closed with a slash. The image tag is now open. I'm going to go here to where I want to work, and I'm going to pick this particular picture and hit details. I'm going to scroll down and hit the large version of it. I'm going to go right to the top of my browser, which you can't quite see. I'm going to copy the address out by pressing Control-C. Go back to my main tab, paste that web address in. You'll notice it's Files 1 Guild Launch. I could also do this with a photo bucket picture or something like that to do what's called hot linking, to pull it over from another site. Once I've got the address in there, I'm going to hit the image tag button again. And you'll notice that I've got /img, which closes the tag. For advanced users, you can just type these in if you wanted to. I could go right down here, hit my bracket, hit img, enter my code, hit the bracket again, type /img, and close that out, and I've put in the exact same code that I just saw. Another thing I can do to embed is go here and say, let's embed, for instance, a YouTube video. Now this is a little different because it puts both tags at once. I'm going to go here to my YouTube video. Right on the page where I can watch it, I'm going to copy out the address, paste that in there in between my two tags. And if I preview my post now, what you'll notice is there's my image, there's my red text. Nice bow, Effie. And then here's my YouTube video that I could play right from here. I'm still just previewing. The last thing I'd like to give you a look at is working with Ion Armory. Because another thing I could do is use these three tags. There's the Ion item link. There's also the Ion spell link. And there's also the Ion item icon. And this is how those work. They're actually very simple. All I have to do is go to ionarmory.com, pick, for instance, an item. I'm going to pick a dagger here. I'm going to pick this top dagger and click on it. And Ion Armory takes me to it. And I'm going to copy the web address for this particular item, move back over, and paste it right in here next to the equal sign. I'm going to do that here and here. You'll notice that it still says item icon will appear here and so forth. I don't have to worry about that. If I go back and grab also a spell, so if I go to skills and assassin and pick a skill, I can grab that address as well and paste it in right here next to spell. And if I preview that post, what you'll notice is I've got my text, I've got my picture, I've got my YouTube video. What I've also done is I've got now these hover overs that I can use. Let me get my YouTube video out of the way here so we can see it better. Let's preview one more time. And so now I can put these in my different posts if I want to. And people can hover over and see what I'm doing. So there's several areas that you can add things to your posts, including pictures, colored text, YouTube videos, and Ion item links.